In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean install Nvidia drivers. So the first thing you want to do is clean previous traces, okay? And that's the way you do it right here. So you have to uninstall any previous drivers through add or remove programs on your computer, okay? And the way you do this is you go to My Computer, then inside Local Disk, and then inside Program Files. And then you need to locate the Nvidia Corporation folder and delete it, okay? Then you must go to My Computer, Local Disk, Windows, and press Ctrl Find, and then this will, Ctrl F, which will enable the find function inside the files. And then you have to search for NV, which is basically Nvidia. And then you have to delete all the files that start with NV or look like they have relevance to Nvidia. Okay, it will be obvious which ones they are. They start with NV. So then you must download the latest Nvidia driver from the Nvidia website. Just look for the driver you need, go to the official Nvidia website, they have all the drivers you need on there, download it and save it onto your downloads folder or anywhere else. Then you have to go to Start and then onto Run and then type in services.msc. Now this will bring up all the services that are currently running on your computer. You have to make sure all the services related to drivers are enabled, okay? Then you have to complete a registry scan. Now this will remove any keys that were related with Nvidia, and it could also boost your PC's performance. Now, once you've done all the 6 steps, you can go to the next portion of the first part, which is where you reboot your computer using safe mode by hitting F8 repeatedly. So basically, you have to power off your computer and then you have to spam F8 on your keyboard, so continuously press F8. Some computers have F10, F11 or the delete button. Just do it multiple times or Google what's the safe mode button for your computer developer. For your computer manufacturer, it depends on the computer. And then you have to go to My Computer, Local Disk, and then Windows. And then press, again, press Ctrl and F and search for NV. And then you have to, again, delete all the files that start with NV or look like they have relevance to Nvidia. Again, this is the same step as step 2, but sometimes the files will reduplicate, okay? So make sure you don't forget this, so make sure you do it twice. Then it's time for a fresh driver installation. So a driver installation. You have to open the Nvidia driver that you downloaded previously, as I said, and let it extract the files and folders. Then you have to accept the license agreement and then select custom when it asks you the way of installation you would like to have. Then you want to install what you need, but preferably just the graphics driver so there's less chance of any errors happening in the process. And make sure that the clean installation is checked while doing so. And now once you've done that, you can let the installation begin and your drivers will be freshly installed.